to go live at another farm. This one is not gonna work for her anymore, and we are gonna load her up and take her out of here.
The panels are right around the corner when you take the panels apart. Sammy and them. No, we don't close that.
No, we're gonna close her in. Never.
Yeah. So leave it open.
So leave it.
I was just unhashing.
Yeah. Okay. So this, Sammy said to put a panel up over here so she don't go through the fence. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Tried. Yeah.
So we might need to put at least one panel here, and then. You think we should bring one up here?
Something needs to go here, so instead of going here. Yeah, we'll put something here, and we'll put 2 panels.
We got a redneck rig here. I got panels on both sides so she can't bust out. And the plan is to push her up into here and load her up into the trailer. But we gotta cull out the 2 little cows out of the group to get her in there by herself. So we'll see. We're gonna have to sort them.
All right, this is the last chance for Girl Cow. We are going to try to get her into this trailer so we can take her to the auction in the morning. She needs to go find another farm. She's just too tall. She's too tall for Babycow, the brand new cow that has no name yet, which he needs to be named. He'll never be tall either. He's going to be the same as Babycow. And she thinks that the new cow is her baby. So she's too tall. She's too standoffish. She's a great range cow, and she would have been an amazing mama, but she's not approachable. She'll come in, she'll eat right in front of me. I touch her head, she starts running off. So she needs to go give somebody else's farm a blessing, so maybe she can give them some Highland cows. But for this farm, she's just way too tall. The boys just went out to try to bring them in so we can corral her into here and into there and close this gate. And if you watch the Babycow video, it is not going to be that easy. So come along on this adventure because it's going to be nuts.
There she goes. Oh, dang, look how filled up the pond is.
Holy moly!
Jeez, that.
Heck yeah! I dug that out. Look at that.
How deep is it?
9 foot? No, it's only like probably a couple foot.
Hey, at least it's holding water.
Yeah.
Cow's loving it. Babycow is in it. There she is. Watch that rock. Just get her on that fence line. She's good. They're going. They're about to hit that fence. Keep going. Keep going. Hey, hey, hey! Hey, hey, hey!
That was awesome. How'd you get him straight here?
Jason. That was professional rodeoing style there.
Highland Cow edition.
Without horses.
Without horses. Good job, girl. Good job, girl. It's okay. It's okay. Calm down. There's water. Yep, there's water. Let's get her in the shade, and then I gotta spray her down with the hose. Should I spray her now?
Spray her down when we get her.
She found the food? Good girl. Gosh, our corral system. You know what though? We needed to do all that just for safety measures, so it worked out really, really well. Thank you, boys, so much.
That'll be $6.50 on the card. Or...
And here is the beginning. The beginning of we need a cow. We need a heifer that will be small, just like Babycow. And he is my sweet love. And there is Whiskey, he's a sweet boy. And then there's the brand new little Babycow. He is not approachable. So see, he's actually coming close right now because the girl cow's not out here telling him what to do. Oh, what happened? You poor baby. Farm life, you guys. Poor guy. But see how he's coming up? When that girl cow's in here, he wouldn't even come anywhere close. Donkey, be nice. All right, we are headed to the auction house. They are open Friday night. Actually, they said they're open all night long, all hours of the night. Just call them. Oh my gosh. They said just call them when we get there. There's a number on the gate and they will help us unload. So we don't want to keep her in here. We want her to be relaxed and calm and have a good night. So we are going to head to Bristow, which is about an hour away, and we're going to drop her off so she has a good night. And then we'll fill out all the paperwork and we'll let you know how we do.
Your destination is on the left.
All right, we are here at the Bristow Stockyards. It's about an hour from our house, and we have Girl Cow in the trailer. All right, so it looks like there's other people dropping off their livestock, and all I hear is Baby Cows. It's making me really sad, so we're gonna walk over here and we're like, let's take a look. Oh, you're so cute, I want you. So cute, baby. Oh, here goes more. There's a lot of cows here already. Look at these calves, you guys. Oh, hi, babies. You're so beautiful. Hearing them all cry makes me a little emotional. It's life. I know it's livestock. I mean, look at all these little tiny babies. Look at that one. Oh, she loves me. Maybe she doesn't love me. I don't know, but she's super cute. All right, so there is the truck. We are next up to unload. Hopefully, Girl Cow unloads pretty well. Stop!
Tear this place up. I think this trailer's made out of metal.
Right?
Address.
Be careful, she's a little crazy. She'll run from you. Oh.
Let me know and I'll open this.
Yeah, whenever he's ready.
Okay.
Didn't stick. well, that seemed very easy for this gentleman. He was super nice, super great, really good with her. He wasn't scared of
He had a
her.
little bit of an issue with her though.
Well, he was trying to get that sticker
Get the
on her,
tag on her, yeah.
and she wasn't having it. And then she was crowd surfing in with all those black cows.
Yeah.
Did you see her? It was crazy.
Oh,
So
she was moving around.
she was making a big whirlpool inside the cattle,
Yeah,
the
it was
cattle
funny.
pen. It was crazy. But you guys, we're gonna come back at you another time. We're gonna leave her. We're not gonna know what she brings because we have to go to work tomorrow. But we'll get something in the mail that gives us some information and a check. So we'll check back in with you guys and we'll let you know how well she does and hope that she finds a loving home. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you don't mind, hit the subscribe and the little dingle bell so you're alerted every single time we upload new content. You really should join our journey. Our journey is pretty fun. It's about to get ramped up. So
Yes.
be ready for it. Lots of changes happening. Hit the dingle bell. Have a great night. Bye-bye.